Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write month of the year. There are 12 months in a year. First month January, January, January. Second month February, February, February. Third month March, March, March. Fourth month April, April, April. Fifth month May, May. June, June, June. Seventh month July, July. Eighth month August, August, August. Ninth month September, September, September. Tenth month October, October. 11th month is November, November. 12th month is December, December. These are the 12 months of the year. Thank you. If you like the video, subscribe my channel for more such videos.